Alrighty guys, as y'all can see by the title, this is how I lost $1,395 on June 10th, 2025, trading NASDAQ futures. Basically, this is going to be a really short video, just showing y'all what the market can do to you when you really don't have your head in the right space. This is a screenshot, it's not my actual chart, because my chart has the executions disappeared on it. So we're just going to look at this so y'all can see all these executions. I took 10 trades and I only won one trade. You can see it down here. Took it right there to right there. That one was just for the ego to end on a win. But as y'all can see, we open first presented fair value gap right here. We should have entered as soon as we inverse that to take out these highs, and we would have came down. Our stop loss would have been down below here, or we would have taken profit way up here, but we're going to be targeting these highs. Came down, re-entered here, went up again, took out the highs completely, came down, went up again. There's multiple chances to make profit, not much. There was no huge moves today except that one, and then the fall off around the bond auction, I think it was. But this just goes to show you how bad it can get if your confluence misses, or not even if your confluence misses, if you miss your confluence, you miss your model, your strategy, and you go tilt. This happens to me once every 2 weeks probably. For 10 trades, losing almost $1,400, I mean, that's pretty tight stops, but I was keeping everything pretty tight up in here. I just thought I was going to catch the next move out, and obviously you can see it never happened. I literally got stopped out 9 times in a row, and then was waiting for the bond auction. It came down here. Once it came back down to the first presented fair value gap, I thought about pulling the trigger when I saw that wick was at exactly the halfway point, but I did not. That would have recouped us a good amount of losses, probably almost all of it. But I don't know if we could have held it all the way down here, but it did drop off really quick. Came down into Monday and Wednesday's first presented fair value gaps, and it rallied back up. And obviously, if you watched the market at all today, you saw we came really close to new all-time highs. But yeah, guys, this just goes to show that in the chop, you just got to get out of the market. You got to wait. If there's chop, a no news day. I know we had the bond auctions, and that's really the only thing that saved price action today. But this chop, it is the bane of my existence. I never lose as bad as I do when there's chop. I'll miss a trade, get right back into the next one, cover my losses and some, but when there's chop like this, it's impossible. So yeah, guys, 3 more days to the week to make money. Come out profitable still on the week. If y'all want to see my trade recaps in the morning, then y'all can go follow me on Twitter at Gilly_trades, at Gilly_trades, and I post my trade recaps there much earlier in the day than I post here on YouTube.